On this occasion we present our renewed sound kit from the KS family. It is a sound kit with a multitude of playback options. Bluetooth, USB player, FM tuner with 50 presets, and 2 auxiliary inputs, expanding its possibilities and allowing you to enjoy the music played from any other device with line-level output, and mono and stereo selector. The KS EMP amplifier provides a power output of 25 plus 25 watts RMS at 4 ohms, and 15 plus 15 watts RMS at 8 ohms, and has a 2.15-inch LCD information display that provides information, selected status, playback status, and has a complete configuration menu, which allows us to configure various settings common to all modes such as bass and treble equalization, maximum volume setting, which allows limiting the maximum volume to ensure that it does not exceed the desired volume, shutdown timer. Additional settings are available, depending on the selected mode. Auto memory function performs an automatic search for FM stations and stores them in the memory. Auto skin function allows you to quickly switch to the previous or next frequency with signal. Edit channel allows you to sort and delete previously tuned FM channels. Folder allows you to select a folder from the existing ones on the USB device. Repeat allows you to select the playback mode between off, repeat a song, repeat all songs, random playback of all songs, repeat folder, random playback of folders, selection of the information displayed on the screen. When playing music from a USB, the elapsed time can be displayed next to the file name or next to the folder containing the file. Unlinks the connected device and remains in standby to be paired. Useful when there is a linked device, but we don't know which one it is and we need to connect to the new device. In addition, it can be installed in standard universal square and round boxes, with an easy integration in any space, and it can be controlled by the touch buttons on the front panel, or by the included remote control. This amplifier can be purchased separately, in the kit of 2 or 4 speakers. KS EMP refers to the stereo and wall amplifier. KS wall refers to the stereo wall amplifier, plus 2 speakers. KS wall 4 is the stereo wall amplifier plus 4 speakers.